Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. There are so many options when choosing a home. You know, what neighborhood, square footage, style are you looking for, or do you want new or old? Speaking of old, Tina Hembry from YouTube asked what can she do to brighten up her dark wood in her old historical home. Well, Tina, I haven't personally worked on many historical homes, but I'm definitely familiar with lightening up a space. So the first step is to decide if you want to paint that centuries-old wood white or keep the wood but restore its shine. There is a huge debate with these homes about painting the beautiful molding. Even though dark wood isn't necessarily the style now, it can always come back in, and it's a lot of work and costly to remove the paint. Plus, white gets dirty quickly and is hard to maintain. If you decide to restore the wood and give it a nice new shiny luster, you'll allow light to bounce off those surfaces and remain true to the home's design. This is totally up to you, so do your research. Maybe check out a few historical homes in your area to see what other sellers did with this wood. Now, if you paint the wood white, you can afford to go darker or even bolder with your wall color. I suggest taking a look at the colors in Benjamin Moore's historical color collection. If you decide to keep the wood, choose lighter neutral colors with less red-orange undertones because we want the wood to pop out off the color. Now, regardless of paint color, you should stick with more neutral color fabric furnishings, a combination of painted wood furnishings, and some that is the same color or lighter to really highlight the molding and floor. You'll want to keep the wood floors, but if you have wood accents, molding, and whatnot throughout the room, you should consider adding a neutral colored rug on the floor to break it all up. Now, many times wood built-ins come in a historical home, so if you're not painting them white, you can cover the back of the built-in in a neutral color temporary wallpaper, or even use foam board and fabric to break up all the wood in the built-in. In wood built-ins, you can also make them feel lighter and brighter by using reflective and white accessories. One other thing to add, you should also focus on letting natural light in, using mirrors and more lighting throughout your entire home. I've done a video on these specific tips called home staging lighting, and I'll add a link below for you to look at. So I hope these tips help you, Tina, and anyone else out there with this dilemma. Would you paint the woodwork in these historical homes white? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So leave me a comment below and tell me about it, or share your own experience with these homes. Of course, for more home staging and decorating tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website, www.ToriToth.com. And don't forget to pick up a copy of our new book called Feel at Home, Home Staging Secrets for a Quick and Easy Sell. You can get that over at www.feelathomebook.com.